it's Miss Kelly at the Mifflin County Library. I'm here to show you another craft from your Take and Make bag today. Today we're going to make a snowman ornament. So this is what we're going to make. So go ahead and look in your snowman bag and find the envelope that says snowman. And go ahead and open it up. Oh, this one's really tight. See if I can get it. Everything in this envelope should be nice and flat, and it's all out of paper. Now, the little, oh look, yep, my snowman noses are hiding in the corner. Let's see if I can get them out. I think they're really stuck. Oh, there. I have two in case I lose one. I hope I don't, but I think you'll have two as well in case one gets really stuck in that envelope. So here's all of the pieces. There's a snowman cut out of a book page, a hat, a scarf, and a carrot nose. Have you built a snowman yet this year? Has it snowed yet? Maybe not. Maybe we'll get to build snowmen later in the year. All right, so you need your glue stick and you need all of your pieces out of your envelope. And all we're gonna do is build our snowman by gluing the pieces on. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right there on his neck and give him his winter scarf to stay nice and warm. Put a little dot of glue where his nose should be. And see if I can get it picked up. There it goes. Stick it right there in the middle of his eyes. And a little spot of glue on the top of Frosty's head for his black silk hat. Now, if you saw my snowman over here, there's a string on him. Inside your bag, you're going to find a bundle of yarn that's going to be used for another craft, but you'll have enough string that you could take out one piece of yarn to flip your snowman over and glue the string on top. So just put a little bit right on the back of his head. Now glue those strings on. Might need to sit there a little bit and dry, but when it's all dried, flip it over and you'll have a super cute snowman to hang on your Christmas tree. I hope you had fun with this craft. See everyone next time. Bye.